Hello, second grade, and welcome to lesson 2 of Unit 5. This lesson is called Nations Trade. And when we're talking about nations, we're just talking about different countries. So we're talking about how different countries trade among each other. Your essential question that you need to answer is, how do nations work together? What do you think? And then for your word hunt, circle the words as you find them. You have the word nation and trade, and then find 2 more new words, and you can circle those and write them on the line. Let's go ahead and get started.
Lesson 2. Nations Trade. Essential question. How do nations work together? What do you think? Trading goods and services. Later that day, Shelby went to the toy store to get a gift for her friend. She found the perfect gift. It was a toy manatee. Shelby noticed that the tag said, "Made in China." This manatee has come a long way, she thought. Shelby wondered why the toy was made in another nation. The United States trades goods and services with other nations to get the things people need and want. Trade means to give something and then get something back. For example, the United States sells soybeans to China. China sells clothing to the United States. The United States trades with China. Quick check. Why do nations trade goods and services? Quick check. Why was Shelby's toy manatee made in China?
All right, let's think about what we read. Now we know that nations trade with each other in order to get the goods or the services they need that they can't necessarily get or make or do in their own country. So our question on page 147 asks, what goods do you use that come from other nations? So think about things that you use at home that come from another place. Tell me what they are and tell me if you know where they come from. Take a minute to finish your answer. Then we're going to go on to our next set of pages. Now on our next page, we have the heading Trading Partners.
Trading partners. At each store she visited, Shelby checked the goods to see where they were made. Some of the tags she saw said, "Made in Canada," or "Made in Mexico." I wonder what goods the United States trades with other nations, she thought. When Shelby got home that night, she used the computer to find out. The United States trades with nations all over the world. The chart to the right shows the top trading partners of the United States in 2010 and the goods each nation traded. Did you know? Florida's top 4 trading partners in 2009 were Brazil, Colombia, China, and Venezuela. Quick check. What goods did the United States and Mexico exchange in 2010?
All right, let's stop and think about what we read. Now, our quick check question asks, what goods did the United States and Mexico exchange in 2010? So you can see on our little diagram on the right of the laptop, you can see that Mexico and the United States exchanged computers. Now, for the Media Center questions on page 148, you can go ahead and have a parent help you look these up online. Name a good that your state trades with other nations. So something that comes from California that goes to other places. And what is a service that the United States provides to other nations? And then on page 149, what did Shelby find out about trade? So tell me in your own words what she learned about trade and how it works. And then you can answer your essential question now that you've completed the lesson and gotten some extra information about how nations work together. Please make sure you answer your questions very carefully. If you have any questions, let me know. Once you've completed your lesson, please go ahead onto your quiz and make sure you're using your book while you're completing your quiz so that you're able to find all the correct answers. If you have any questions, let me know, second grade. Otherwise, I hope you have an amazing day.